What's up, guys? Back with another YouTube video. 1 year anniversary for Savage. Headed to the desert, Arizona. It's going to be an insane week, so stay tuned.
The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, because there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Right now we're gonna go into LA Fitness. Got to get a workout in. So me and a couple other guys just showed up here. Quick little arm and shoulder day. Stay, active and get some workouts in. I've been on the gym daily, so I want to keep on it. So gonna be a good workout. Make it quick. See you guys in there. Nope. All right, guys. We just wrapped up. Quick little arm day, shoulder day. Nice little pump. Now, a lot of guys think, when you get on these business trips, it's all about just having fun. But, dude, I'm still trying to stay locked in on my fitness, my finances, my mindset. So, a couple guys up here to actually train. And we're still having fun, don't get me wrong, man. This weekend's going to be insane. We're going to be renting out ATVs with all the guys. We have a lot of stuff planned, man. So, stay tuned. It's going to be a jam-packed weekend. We're just getting started. Last night, we just rolled in, kind of just getting settled in. So, we didn't record much last night, but there's a lot more coming. So, stay tuned. Boom. What's up, guys? So it's night 2 of the pre-meetup. Just pretty much wrapped up that gym session, and now we're here. Took a business call in the car. Boys are inside waiting for us. We're at the main event. Nice little hangout spot, play some arcade games, fellowship, have a great time as always. So gonna enjoy this night. See you inside.
I don't wanna let you down. 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 See how we living?
Okay, video might be done. Yo! What a choke!
Let's go. Come on. Yo, I was kind of cooking at the end there. Let's fucking go. Come on.
Oh, it's good. Day 3. Get on a hike with the boys today. We found this spot here. I mean, look at this, dude. Like, Mother Nature's insane. To make rocks like that naturally blows my mind. So we're about to take a hike. This might be a challenging hike. I don't know. I don't know what we're about to get into, but I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good time. Good time with the boys, challenging, and yeah, so let's do it.
One way or total? we gotta figure that out.
These boys are just so excited. These guys.
He left in the car.
You didn't bring it?
No, he left in the car. He didn't want to carry it. Like,
I would have carried it.
Yeah.
Should we go back?
Maybe, because I want to go shirtless.
dude, yeah.
I don't want to be.
You might.
How long is the hike?
3 hours.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not joking. She just told
So
us.
guys, this will be my last ever time on Savage Ecom.
Dude, she literally said 3 hours, and I'm like, what the fuck? I thought it was a nice, 20-minute hike. Turned into a 3-hour hike.
Long day, buddy.
You know what she said? It's gonna be a 3-hour hike.
Yeah.
3 hours?
So basically, is dying. So I think to fend for myself, like the person who has the most water, you might fall and trip, and I'm gonna take your water. Kind of like Killer Be Killed. I do think we should get sunscreen now. If we have 3 hours, I want to take my shirt off. I'm already sweating.
You want to go all the way back there, though?
We just told this. Yeah, I know. And we're gonna have 3 hours.
Yeah, but he does no sunscreen.
Wait, 3 hours total.
We all put it
Total
on.
or?
Total.
I
didn't put any.
Actually, I think she said 3 hours one way.
Golfing right now, you're telling me?
Could be golfing, could be in the pool. Could be playing some pickleball.
Not really a walking type of guy.
But we're
you know?
here.
I don't want to be like fucking swinging something.
We've already committed. We're here.
We're here. We're doing it.
Let's be positive.
Look at the scenery, I guess. This is basically a workout.
Thank you. Okay, we heard her.
2 hours.
2 hours, 37 minutes.
1 hour to the top. That's easy.
I don't know.
Well, I don't even know how far we're in this trip, but this hike, but it's fucking kicking my ass. Look here, dude. This is steep. We've already done 2 of these, and we have another one to do. Shows me how out of shape I am. I can't even talk right now. And this view, worth every freaking step we've taken, though. Like, this is insane. Like, you don't get this in the Midwest. Insane.
Yo, we're heading back down the mountain. Pretty brutal, beautiful sightseeing. A few of the guys stayed back. That's all right. Figured might as well go all the way, and it was well worth it. So now we're gonna go back, do some PR, get some work done, get some smoothies. Yep. Bang. Ditto.
What's up, guys? Day 3 of the trip, of the pre-meetup. We're here at Borden-Baden, I think, right? It's a nice restaurant celebrating the wifey's 30th birthday. Got the boys out here. It's gonna be a good time. Looks like it's good food. So we're gonna enjoy a nice dinner, really early dinner, so we get all of our guys in here. It's like a 4 p.m. dinner, no big deal. But after this, plan on hitting the town tonight. It's gonna be a great night. Stay tuned.
To myself, gotta take the time to cut them off. I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me. No, baby, your collection won't stand for it. You know you're in a relationship with all us. I get a few texts that day saying it's all yours. I got a few states on speed dial like good drugs. In your bed.
Oddly enough, that was very spitty.
This is my specialty, so I think we're gonna get a hole-in-one. Feeling good. So watch this fucking iron shot here. Let's go. Here we go. So back. Let's go. Come on.
What a comeback.
I didn't roll up.
Not too confident. I don't know how much it's gonna go further than mine. So we got about 145 to the center. Flags in the center. Wind's behind our back. She's probably gonna play about 135. Hasn't been saying this out loud. I should probably switch clubs. I'm going to.
Yeah, it was like 330, but today I haven't played in like 6 months, so I think we're gonna do like 315, close to that. So we'll see. You did better than that. That was.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's okay though. You know, it's all good. We're here for fun. All right. All right, here we go. Let's go. What's up?
The Sandman.
Right where I wanted it, in the bunker. That's what I do. They call me the Sandman for a reason, you know? Put it in the bunker and then chip it out on the green for a 1-putt, and then we get birdie.
a pleasure.
Pleasure, brother.
It was a pleasure.
DJ, pleasure.
Great game,
The
brother.
Sandman.
Good work, fellas.